was expensive for fucking ammo for me there.
Whoa, fucking hell.
I think me and Ollie just got a hotel room there. Just
What the fuck happened there? We got
it
launched.
became lighter than or people needed us, Ollie, that's what it was. No, you didn't see it. You didn't see what happened. See the road that takes you up for the beach and there's a hotel in front of you?
Yep.
So we accepted the mission and it started loading and me and Ollie basically, the car that we were in just flew straight up and hit the hotel.
I'm back. What's happened?
Me and Ollie took off in a car.
Oh, that's...
Tell me you at least recorded it.
yeah. Oh, that was fucking brilliant. I'm highlighting that shit for definite.